Beach Cities real estate. This week, San Clemente had the high sale of the week on Talega Golf Course. We'll get to that in a moment. But the big news this week is the weakening in the jobs report leading to lower mortgage rates. We're going to break that down as well as the numbers that matter here in the Beach Cities real estate market. Let's jump in. All right, the high sale of the week this week happened at 10 Corte Vizcaya in San Clemente. This is located on the green at hole 5 in Talega Golf Course. Has an awesome view. It's a 4-bedroom, 5-bathroom house that's built for entertaining. This home has a theater and, get this, a 6-hole putting green for the golf enthusiast that wants to look at the golf course and play golf every day. This was the perfect home. I hope you like it. Let's jump into the real estate numbers that matter here in Beach Cities. Again, Beach Cities we define as Dana Point, San Clemente, Laguna Niguel, and San Juan Capistrano. As of right now, our active listings fell from 520 listings last week to 511 listings active on the market if you're looking for a home right now. Our in escrow homes, however, jumped. So last week we had 166 homes in escrow. Right now that jumped to 178, and we had a total of 33 new listings hit the market this week. There's an interesting thing happening though in days on market. When we look at it, the average active days on market of all the active listings, those 511 homes, have an average active days on market of 69 days. However, the homes that have sold and actually closed escrow in the last 30 days had an active days on market of 44 when they accepted an offer. So it's taking on average for sold homes 44 days to sell, but the homes that aren't selling are currently on the market right now with an active total days of 69. What does that mean? Well, there's really a tale of two markets, and this is really a price war happening at a beauty contest where the prettiest homes that are priced the best are selling quickly. And so it really brings up the conversation of why first impressions matter. You don't get a second chance at a first impression with buyers, meaning when we put your home on the market, it's important that we present it in the best light that shows the most value for your home. And so that conversation, whether it's getting the home cleaned up, doing some renovations, upgrades, repairs, or staging to make sure that your home shows its very best, and then pricing it where the market is so that buyers perceive your home as a value and show up in groves and ultimately compete to pay the best price on your home, is absolutely the best strategy right now to make sure that you're one of the homes selling instead of the ones that are sitting on the market for longer and longer. Let's get to the big news this week. It happened in the jobs market. Friday's jobs reports showed slower hiring and signs of weakening in the labor market. Why does this matter? Well, think of it like this. When the jobs market is super strong, the Federal Reserve keeps interest rates high to slow things down and prevent prices from going sky high too fast and prevent inflation. However, when the jobs market is weak, it says, hey, look, this is a signs of a tired economy. We need some help, bring those interest rates down. So it's a really interesting time where right now we still have restrictive economic policy at the Fed based on the rates that we have, and we're moving towards just neutral policy at the Fed, but they've delayed in doing this because they've said, hey, look, our jobs are strong, our inflation's down, but we still have lots of jobs, unemployment's low, so we don't need to drop rates. And it's coming time now where it's due. It's time to bring those rates down. Most likely we're going to see a 0.25% drop here this month by the Fed. It would be surprising if we see anything else. We'd love to see 0.5% drop, but most likely we're going to get a quarter, and hopefully then we continue to get further drops from now until the end of the year. This week's deal of the week is actually a coming soon home. It's not an active listing yet, but will be very soon. We're starting showings on Saturday, September 13th, so let me know if you want to make it in. It's located in one of my favorite neighborhoods, Mariners Village. Why do I love Mariners Village? Well, it's right there on the edge of San Juan Capistrano and Dana Point, and has access to the beach trail and is perfect for the active buyer that likes to do sporting or beach activities or has an RV or boat, because they've got RV or boat parking for its residents. You've got pickleball courts, a green grass area. They used to have a basketball court. I'm not sure if they still do or not. You've got a clubhouse and a great swimming pool, and it's listed at $1,120,000. It's a great 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. Again, check it out. We're starting showing Saturday, September 13th. And if you want to make it in there, let me know. We'll make sure you can get in the home. That's a wrap on this week's Beach Cities market update. If you have any questions on how to make sure that your home is one of the ones that sells quickly, what's happening in the mortgage world, or the value of your real estate in today's market, feel free to send me a message or give me a call. I can't wait to help you win in real estate.